Walmart sourcing is now live on Tactical Arbitrage too. With this update, you can now source profitable products to sell on Walmart.com using the same tools that you're already used to, Product Finder and Quick Picks. To get started, go to the Product Finder, click Find Products. Choose your search type. This controls how Tactical Arbitrage will scan your chosen site. Then under Selling At, choose Walmart.com as your target marketplace. This tells Tactical Arbitrage that you're planning to sell those products on Walmart instead of Amazon. Click Next Step, then select the site and category you want to scan. Apply your usual filters like profit, ROI, or any other criteria that match your sourcing strategy and start your scan. Once it's complete, head over to the results page to review your matches. You'll be able to analyze key data points, refine your filters, and identify profitable products worth reselling on Walmart. And if you want a faster way to find products without running a scan, use Quick Picks with the new Store to Walmart method. Start by going to the Explore page to access Quick Picks. At the top under Choose Source and Destination, set the method to Walmart to Store. This tells Tactical Arbitrage to show you products you can buy from supported retail stores and sell on Walmart. There's no scan setup required. From here, apply filters, check ROI and narrow down the most profitable leads. It's the fastest way to start sourcing for Walmart using Tactical Arbitrage. And that's all you need to get started with Walmart sourcing on Tactical Arbitrage. We'll be rolling out more support features, so remember to stay tuned. If you want to get started with Tactical Arbitrage or any of the Seller 365 products, remember to click the link below.